Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will be presenting our business study for the course SCC 407 Fundamental Financial Accounting and Reporting. The business that we have choose is Nasi Kerabu Meklate, which operates as a sole proprietorship and is located at Kampung Bukit Kadin, Nilai Negeri Sembilan. This presentation is prepared for Ms. Fatih Adila Binti Razali. Next, we will proceed with the purpose of our study. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. We are Group C from SCC 407 and BA04. Hi, my name is Siti Rabiatul Binti Majid. My metric number is 2025478864.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FARHANA binti NORDIN. My ID student number is 2025480356.
My name is ALYA NASUHA binti KAMARUDDin. My matrix number is 2025481824.
My name is SYAZA binti AKMAL, and my magic number is 2025478986.
This assignment was conducted to identify the background of the business and to examine the business characteristics. In addition, it aims to classify business items such as assets, liabilities, capitals, revenues, and expense, as well as to identify the recording process used in manage daily business transaction. Lastly, the strength and weakness of the business are being analyzed by our group. To fulfill the requirement of the assignment, our group conduct an online interview with the owner of Nasi Kerabu Meklate using Google Meet method. The interview was carried out to collect relevant information regarding
I
of
would
the
like to
business.
present about background of business. Nasi Kerabu Meklate is a sole proprietorship business that was established in the year 2033. The business is located at Kampung Bukit Kadin, Nilai Negeri Sembilan. It is owned and managed by a single owner, which allowed for full control over daily operation and decision making. The main business activity is food and beverage, specializing in authentic Plantainese cuisine. Some of the dishes offered include nasi kerabu, nasi dagang, nasi belauk, laksa, nasi minyak, and nasi ayam. The business aims to provide traditional home-cooked meals to customers at affordable prices. The owner started the business with an initial capital of about 10,000 ringgit to 15,000 ringgit, which was used to support daily operations. The business focuses on providing quality food and personalized service to customers.
That is business characteristic. First, the business is very easy to form. The owner can start the business with minimal paperwork. Unlike larger business, sole proprietorship has fewer regulations to follow and can allow the owner to focus more on their daily operations. Next, it is owned by one individual. The owner has full control of the decisions making. There is no partners or directors to share the decision making, resources, and profit or losses. For confidentiality, the owner is not obligated to disclose the financial statements such as financial positions or financial income to public. So the business secrets will be protected from the competitors. For the liability, the business have unlimited liability. Means the owner personal assets can be used to settle the debt. Last but not least, the life of the business is very limited. It exists as long as the owner actively managing it. So if the owner dies or incapable to continue the business, the business will be closed.
Classified of business item. First is liability, can include items like outstanding debt, payment obligation to the creditor, and others upcoming payment. Second is revenue. It can record the amount of money a business earn from selling its product or services. Third is capital, record an owner's the business revenue, income, or asset of the business. The fourth is asset, include the tangible and intangible item your the business own. And the five is expenses, include the product or services a business purchase to help generate additional income.
Next, I will explain the recording process, which is also known as the account cycle. The first stage is sources document. Sources document are used to identify and provide evidence for every business transaction. Example include receipt, invoice, and bills. This stage ensure that all transactions are supported by valid document. The second stage is the journal. At this stage, information from the source document is recorded in the journal in chronological order. The journal serves as the book of original entry for recording transaction. The third stage is the ledger, also known as the T account. Journal entries are posted into the ledger to classify transactions into different accounts such as asset, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expense. The first stage is the trial balance. A trial balance is prepared to check the accuracy of the record by ensure that the total debit equal the total credit. The final stage is the preparation of financial statement. Financial statements are prepared to determine the financial performance and financial position of the business for a specific accounting period. In conclusion, the accounting cycle provides a systematic process to record, classify, and summarize business transactions. For nasi kelabu Meklate, the recording process focuses on how daily sales and expense are managed and documented throughout the business operation. First, the business receive payments through three main methods, which are cash, QR payment, and online banking. For cash transaction, all cash received from customer is kept in a cash drawer at the store. At the end of the business day, the owner count the cash in the drawer and compare it with the total daily sales to ensure there is no shortage or excess. For QR payment, the business use Touch and Go and Do It Now. All QR transactions are recorded automatically in the respective mobile banking or e-wallet application. At the end of the day, the owner check the transaction history and record the total amount received throughout the QR payment. For online banking payment, the owner refer to the bank transaction record to verify the amount received from customer. Next, all daily sales from cash, QR payment and online banking are combined and recorded in a cash book as total daily sales. In terms of expense, purchase of raw materials such as chicken, vegetable, and spice, as well as operating expense like gas, packaging, and utilities are recorded in expense book based on receipt and invoice. At the end of each week, the owner prepare a weekly summary to review total sales and total expense. This helps the business to monitor cash flow and control spending. Finally, at the end of each month, the owner calculate the monthly profit by deduct total expense from total sales. This recording process allows the business to manage its financial transaction in a simple but systematic manner.
The strength of this business have is the owner have a control on the decision making on the business. Second, the owner have a control on financial of the business. And lastly, the owner can have put their own branding.
Next, we will talk about the weaknesses of the business. First and foremost, the business is still doing the cash recording manually. This can lead to higher chances in risk of error, such as mistake in calculation, posting, or even totaling. Next, for limited access to technology, this will make the businesses to fall behind the competitor who use modern technology. Modern technology can help businesses with more accurate information when doing decision making. Last but not least is lack of accounting knowledge. This can lead to incorrect record, poor cash management, and wrong financial decisions. That's all for the weaknesses.
In conclusion, Nasi Kerabu McClutter is a sole proprietorship business that operates on a small scale and it's fully managed by the owner. The business focuses on providing authentic Kelantanese food and uses a simple manual recording system to record daily sales and expenses. This system is suitable for a micro food and beverage business because it is easy to use and low cost. However, the business recording process also has some weaknesses, such as the risk of human error and limited ability to analyze financial performance in details. Despite of these limitations, proper record keeping helps the owner monitor business activities and manage cash flow effectively. Overall, with better and more organized financial recording in the future, this business has the potential to improve its business performance and grow sustainably.